guys, welcome back to my channel Live to Inspire. Today's video is about breathe in and breathe out. Now you will feel that breathe in, breathe out we do every day and every moment of life from the time we are born. Then what new I'm going to tell you about? It's about deep breathing, guys. With time, I have realized that deep breathing plays a very vital, important role in our life. It's vital, and we hardly do that. We do deep breathings only while doing some intense workout, while running, or while doing pranayams or deep meditations, right? But after that, like after a workout or a fitness routine, throughout the day, we hardly do that. We just do partial breathing. I mean, short breathe in and short breathe out. But if you inculcate this habit of deep breathing throughout the day, it's going to help you a lot in life. Like, it's like longevity. It's about the glow on your face, the fresh feeling, the calmness, the cool mind, and uh, the moments of anger that you frustration, anger that you experienced will go off, will fall off from your mind and body. So I thought I should make something of this kind wherein someone is breathing and breathe out with me. I was looking for such thing on YouTube since long, but I couldn't find anything. Like there are Om and Soham meditations wherein breathe in, but there is no sound of breathe in and breathe out. Every breathe out you just say Om or Soham. So I wanted something wherein someone is breathe in with me and breathe out with me. So there is a company, there is someone who is doing, and with that I am at least at one time I am doing some 30-40 deep breaths, and I can repeat the process throughout the day whenever I get time in between, right? So it's like a habit I wanted to inculcate, because I when I realized this, that deep breathing is important, I started doing it. But it was like for 5-6 deep breaths, and then it skipped, I forgot about it. So I wanted something wherein there are 30-40 deep breaths, and there are affirmations which will keep me hooked to it, and I will enjoy it too, and it will make me positive also. So every time I do this, now this exercise which I'm going to share with you, I am coming into the positive zone. Whatever stress or worries, small, big, whatever is there, which is troubling me, which is disturbing and taking away my mental peace, it's going off. So whenever I am just bringing my attention to present moment of deep breathing, I am actually aligning with my higher self. So guys, I read it in many books like Deepak Chopra, Robin Sharma. They say all the time, like whenever you are deep breathing, you are in the present moment. Whenever you are focusing on your in and out of breath, you are in the present moment. And at that very time, there is a bulb which is light up, and like whole universe is looking at you. It's like that. It's something of that sort which I read and interpreted. So when you are deep breathing, you are actually aligned with your higher self. Even Jess Shepherd says that in her Rising Higher Meditation channel on YouTube. So I thought I should make this video, which I so much deep within felt like making. So I have to, you have to listen to your heart, because it is always guiding you. And that guiding source, that guiding force is telling you to do that. So you should do it. So in today's video, I'm going to breathe in, and with every breathe out I'm going to say out the I am meditation, I am affirmation, so that you will breathe in, you will breathe out in a normal, but in a deep like you will do a deep breathe in and breathe out, but you will listen to my affirmation on I am strong, I am healthy, of that sort. So you need not to say that, you can just listen to that affirmation. You can repeat it mentally in your mind. Otherwise you can like with practice you can say it also, because when you say it, you open your mouth and you naturally breathe out, right? So right now when you are listening to it, you just breathe in and breathe out, do it deep breathe ins and breathe out, and listen to the I am affirmation that I'm going to say. Let's begin. I am strong, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am abundant. I am wealthy. I am safe. I am wise. I am wonderful. I am joyful. I am playful. I am genius. I am fearless. I am smart. I am confident. I am kind. I am aware. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am grateful. I am thankful. I am in the present moment. I am determined. I am skilled. I am talented. I am divine. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am bold. I am in this moment. I am peaceful. I am courageous. I am fun to be with. I am blessed. I am aligned. I am truthful. I am graceful. I am caring. I am active. I am slender. I am enthusiastic. I am energetic. I am blessed beyond my fondest dream. I am divinely guided and protected. I am one superior soul. I am powerful. I am creative. I am immortal. I am indestructible. I am awesome. I am ageless. I am agile. I am happy. I am full of joy. I am full of love. I am happy in this moment of peace. Thank you guys. Thank you for doing this with me. Thank you for listening to my affirmations. Thank you for always coming to my channel and listening and watching my videos. Thank you for the 103 subscribers. It's a small thing but a very big thing for me because I crossed my 100 subscribers this week. And I think it happened only with consistency and the purposeful content that I try to make, to spread it and to share it with all you lovely people, to live your best life. Thank you so much. You can add as many I am affirmations to this, as many positive lines, your positive favorite affirmations you can add to this particular pattern. You can breathe in deep with breathe out. You can do a breathe out and think of that positive affirmation in your mind, or else you can say it loud. Anything that makes you feel good, anything that makes you feel comfortable and calm and peaceful, anything that makes you forget all your worries and pain and stress and troubles, anything. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to watch my Your Daily Dose of Affirmation series, which I have newly made, and I'm adding 2 to 3 motivational videos in that to motivate you for one particular healthy good thing for your life. Thank you so much. Goodbye and take care. Love to all of you. Thank you.